So first container of the day is gonna be a car container, and the specific car which is going in is not this one. Absolutely not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. And not the one after that. And not the one after that. Just so we don't lose too much time. So I'm gonna just remind you that this is a 20 feet container, and this car is actually around a little bit, couple of inches more than 20 feet. So this Tundra actually does not fit in a 20 feet container. So it's not this one as well. All right, so finally we're there. This is the car that's going into the 20 feet container. All right, and it's an autobiography 2023 Range Rover that has 180 kilometers. All right. Is it me or the 2024 Lexus NX has different lights? I have one 2023. We'll just go ahead and check it out. I don't know if you can see it yet, but at the end of this tunnel there is a 2023 NX, and so far it feels like it's the same light. So it's the same car. Now we're having to back up the Tundra again.
Il dit de rien mettre.
Ben non, c'est ça que non. Même que le gars là. I just received my 2015 Corolla S that needs a new door. But the good news is that it starts and it drives. Because when it was listed in auction, they were saying that it was not starting. But once it got here, it started with no problem. So it used to be an Uber. It has 180,000 kilometers. And I'm pretty happy with the deal. Ouch. I just hit my other car. Don't. صور
شوف قاعد تصور
ها
La mi tu cuore,